If you have a flat butt, squats aren't the best option. Scientists tested different exercises and found 4 that work way better. But here's the best part. You can do all of them at home with nothing but a simple chair or box. Now, you'll do each exercise for 40 seconds with 20 seconds rest. So let me show you a perfect home workout for amazing glutes. The first exercise is a Bulgarian split squat. Place your back foot on any object like this, drop into a deep lunge position, and drive through your front heel to stand while keeping your torso upright. Second exercise on our list is the single leg glute bridge. Lie on your back with one foot planted and the other leg extended, then drive your hips up by squeezing your grounded glute until your body forms a straight line. Now we have step-ups. Step up onto a sturdy bench or box by driving through your lead leg's heel, fully extending your hip at the top before lowering back down with control.
your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me?
And final exercise, donkey kicks. Start on hands and knees. Keep your knee bent at 90 degrees and drive your heel straight up toward the ceiling while squeezing your glute at the top.
There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Now, do another 2 or 3 more rounds of these exercises and watch your booty get bigger. Thank you for watching, girls. See you soon.